Today we're going to open up and then set up this creepy spider up on this giant web on the house. Our Halloween spider comes in a package like this, and it comes with multiple pieces. Let's go through the small ones first. First, we have this stretchable spider web, and we're gonna end up wanting to stretch this out really far and getting it stuck on edges and cracks and things like that to make a nice web. We also get a bag full of these baby spiders right here as well. We get 100 of them, and they're all about 2 inches long. Here's just a small handful of them here. We also get the giant spider web, and this one's for the outdoors, so it comes with 5 of these stakes. And here's a look at that material right there, nice and soft, but durable. And then finally, we have the spider right here. You can see it has these 2 little red eyes on it. It's all furry on top and furry on the legs. Here's the bottom right here. Its body looks to be about 8 inches by roughly 3 or 4 inches by roughly 3 or 4 inches. And it's got these creepy legs on it. You can see these all pull out so you can put them in whatever direction you want to make it nice and creepy. And if I stretch out this leg here, even if I keep these angles in it right here, you can see that's still over 2 feet long. So let's go get this creepy guy set up outside. So first we're going to get out our large net. We're going to find this hook in it. We're going to take that hook and hook it up right here onto the house. And then we're going to stretch out that net. Now we'll take these stakes and hammer that into the ground to keep it in place. And now we take our spider and we tie that up into the web. And so what I'm doing to get the spider to stick to the web is I'm actually taking its foot right here in the bottom part of it, and I'm folding that foot around the rope itself. So I'm not doing that to every foot, but a few of them I'm doing that, and I'm finding that's help it sticking in place. So here's another angle. You can kind of see how those feet are wrapping around that rope there to keep it where I want it to be. And so here's a look at the spider and the whole web out in the yard.